Yes, when you do that. Kind of, or an X. I'm not sure which.
Y. O. U. R.
Mm-hmm.
Y. M. C.
There's a backwards C. You have to go the other way.
C.
I see.
A. House rocks. C house and B house. Sorry. Well.
Don't break any of my ornaments. I'm trying to take them off.
Well then. Okay. Try one more time. Y. O. U. And whatever R. Can't do it. Sorry. Here we go.